What if Inception was never about dreams, but about guilt? And what if Cobb was trapped from the very beginning? Because hidden inside the movie is a message most people completely missed. Is often called a movie about dreams. Layers of dreams. Mind-bending action. Reality breaking apart. But beneath all of that, the film hides something much darker. A story about a man unable to escape his own subconscious. And once you see it, the ending becomes terrifying. Cobb says dreams feel real while we're inside them. And that single line may secretly explain the entire movie. Because throughout Inception, Cobb is constantly haunted by Mal. Not just as a memory, but as a projection of guilt. She appears whenever his subconscious loses control. Almost like his mind is punishing him. And the strangest part? Mal always tells Cobb the same thing: this world isn't real. Most people think the movie asks, are we dreaming? But that's not the real question. The real question is, can Cobb accept reality? Because Cobb doesn't just miss Mal. He's addicted to the dream world. In dreams, he can still see her. Still talk to her. Still pretend none of it happened. That's why every dream collapses when Mal appears. She represents the truth Cobb refuses to face. And then there's the spinning top. The most famous scene in the entire film. People obsess over whether it falls. But Christopher Nolan may have hidden a bigger clue. The top was never Cobb's totem. It belonged to Mal. Cobb's real totem was his wedding ring. Notice this: in dreams, he wears the ring. In reality, he doesn't. And in the final scene, he isn't wearing it. Meaning, for the first time, Cobb may have truly accepted reality. But here's the disturbing part. Even if the ending is real, Cobb never checks the top. He walks away. Because the hidden message of Inception was never about proving reality. It was about choosing to let go. Choosing to stop running from guilt. And maybe that's why the movie still feels like a dream long after it ends. Because deep down, we're all afraid reality might not be what we think it is. And that's why Inception's greatest mystery was never the dream. It was Cobb himself.